want to chase it down, and that's what we are comfortable as a team as well.
Yeah, it's still important for your bowlers to do and bowl in the right areas, because maybe they could have done a better job in the second time around when you went on to bowl to defend that total.
Yeah, it doesn't matter what wicket you are playing. If it's a flat or it's something for the bowlers, you still have to be on the target and put the ball in the right areas consistently, and that's what we're looking for today.
Have you made any changes?
We have one change. Ahmed Danial is making debut and Ibrar is missing out.
All right, thank you very much and all the very best.
Thank you.
Litton, I asked him, and I'm going to ask you the same question. Sad, even really heartbreaking events yesterday.
Yeah, definitely. All know that yesterday happened was not suitable for us. It's not easy to accept that. For sure, we're playing today for heavy hearts. I mean, you know that I'm a parent. I know how the feelings I am, and definitely they feel very sad, and they are too much emotional at the moment. So all we know, we can pairs at the moment.